monthly film workshops are back and online. These workshops are sponsored by the filmmaking class and ND alums Monique Gelenu and Tara Aquino. The workshops are designed to give young filmmakers an opportunity to learn more about careers in filmmaking. This month's workshop topic was industry jobs in online streaming. The panel constituted of Mr. Ryan Shiraki, director of On My Block, Mrs. Rita K. Sanders, an editor, Mr. Nicholas Mansour, an editor as well, and Cobra Kai, and Kurnesha Wyatt, the production coordinator of a Black Lady sketch show. While students had an opportunity to learn, they also were provided amazing Grubhub lunches by Mamang Studios. The students really had a great time attending.
It was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. It was such a good networking event for me to meet people from the industry and meet other kids who aspire to do similar things that I do in the future. I got to meet with the director from On My Block, which is a TV series on Netflix. But it was super informative and really interesting to hear about what he does on a day-to-day basis and kind of how he got into the industry.
Film school, I met people who were going to work in the business who got me my first job and my second job. The only way to get work in the entertainment industry is to network, and film school is your first networking opportunity. I think I have the best job on the planet. I love my job. I'm so lucky I get to do it every day. It is an incredibly great job and an incredibly difficult business. It's a full-time job. Even if you have a full-time job, getting into the business is a second full-time job. Be realistic that you will have to put in 8 to 10 hours a day to get into the business on top of whatever you're needing to do to make money at that time.
This is Jackson Warren and Don Chakos signing out for NDTV.